Hi, welcome to my channel Shopzon. Are you looking for best products on Amazon? Here will best products review on Amazon. Daiya, frozen, dairy-free cheese lovers gluten-free vegan pizza, 15.7 ounce. About this item. Allergy-friendly pizza, invite everyone to the table with Daiya's plant-based pizzas. Our pizzas are free from dairy, gluten, soy, eggs, and peanuts, and they're non-GMO project certified and certified gluten-free. Delightfully dairy-free cheese, finally, gooey vegan cheese that melts, stretches, and tastes just like the old-fashioned kind. Party pleasers, Daiya gluten-free pizzas are perfect for family night, study sessions, or lunchbox fillers. Stock a few of our dairy-free pizzas in the freezer for when you fancy a delicious vegan snack. Plant-based perfection, living a vegan lifestyle. You'll be glad to know that your Daiya gluten-free pizzas are certified plant-based and contain no animal products or byproducts. Try all 7 flavors. Daiya has a plant-based pizza to suit every mood with our supreme, meatless pepperoni style, meatless meat lovers, cheese lovers, margarita, fire-roasted vegetable and mushroom and roasted garlic gluten-free pizzas.